4 ways to fix any Instagram error. It's an easy process, so let's start. So hello everybody, hit the subscribe button and that will help you. So thank you guys. So first of all, just check it out your internet connection. So if your internet connection is stable, then Instagram will be running smoothly. After that, just check out your storage space. So if your storage space is running out, then the Instagram will be buggy. So check it out your basically your storage space, and if this is running out, then just clean up some photos or videos, so that your Instagram will be running smoothly. After that, just check out your Instagram, or basically check out the Instagram is down or not. So just go to any browser and search a down indicator, or down Instagram is down now. So after that, go to the any website, then you can check out the Instagram is down or not. After that, just go to the Instagram and just shake your device. After that, you can see these types of pop-up, then click to the report a problem options. After that, click to the don't include and continue options, and then type your problems here and